You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -7. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 9x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 18 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 3. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -7.